Welcome to lesson number 21 of 20 Minute Setswana. Leina lame ke Tian,
Lame leina ke Mpho,
and we are here to teach you Setswana. So, au siame Mpho,
ke siame rra au siame.
ki siame, and to the listeners, ale siame bagetsu,
Ba gaetsho ba siame.
a re simole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta,
Okay, Mpho, so today we're talking about money and going to the bank, etc. So let's start with the word for money. What is money in Setswana?
Madi,
Madi. Okay. I've also heard chelete.
that's great. You can still say chelete.
Okay.
But madi, that's when it's in a formal way.
Okay, that's more
Chelete,
formal.
it's me and you.
Okay.
Please give me chelete, mphe chelete.
All right.
Yes.
To withdraw money.
Go goga.
Gogoga.
Yes.
That's interesting. Okay, so if I withdraw money, it's ke goga.
Perfect.
Okay. And to sign something?
Go saena.
Gosaina.
Yes.
Okay. What is the word for something?
Something singwe.
Okay, sengwe.
Yes.
So if I say I signed something, it's ke saina sengwe.
Yes.
All right. And the plural for some things would be, what would that be?
Dingwe.
Okay. I wanted to take a guess. I wasn't sure. Dingwe
Yes.
is the plural.
It's a plural.
Okay, so I sign some things as ke saina dingwe.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Ke saena dipampiri dingwe. You remember pampiri?
Yes, okay.
Yes.
I signed some papers.
Yes.
Ke saina dipapiri
Dingwe.
dingwe.
Yes.
Okay. And if I were to say, can I withdraw money here? How would I say that?
A ke ka goga madi fa.
Okay. Nothing strange there. I remember if I can do something, it's keka or nka. All right. And making it a question, it's a nka or a keka. Goga, to withdraw.
Yes.
Madi, money.
Yes.
Fa, here.
Yes.
So it's fairly easy to translate this one. A keka goga madi fa.
Yes.
Now, what I noticed is you sort of put the madi and the fa, when you speak quickly, put them together, it almost sounds like one word. Madifa.
Yes.
Akeka hoja madifa.
Yes.
All right. Now, where can I sign? How would I say that?
Ke ka saena kae.
Okay, that's also easy. Keka saina kai.
Yes.
Now, the kai in this context is
Where?
where. And this is the question word. So it's not necessary to put a at the beginning of the sentence.
No.
Okay. And if I were in the bank and someone said, sign here, please.
Saena fa tswe.
Okay, so he just commands me, the verb to sign is ho saina.
Yes.
And he commands me to sign, he just says saina.
Yes. Saena fa.
Fa being here.
Yes.
Okay. Tswe tswe.
Yes.
Directly translated back into English. Sign here, please.
Yes.
That's easy. Now, this is an interesting question. What is the verb for to swallow?
Go kometsa.
Hokometsa.
Yes.
All right. If I were to say the ATM swallowed my card, would I use the same verb, hokometsa?
Yes. Yes. Motšhini wa banka o komeditse karata ya me.
All right. I actually caught that. Okay. Mochine is obviously the word for machine.
Machine.
Sounds like a borrowed word.
Yes.
Okay. Mochine wa banka, the machine of the bank. O komeditse. Now, I noticed that hokometsa, the verb, has obviously changed to the past tense.
Yes.
Komeditse, swallowed. Karata yame,
Yes.
card of mine.
Yes.
Okay. Very, very easy.
Remember something there? We don't have ATM in Setswana.
Yes.
That's why we borrowed muchini. But which muchini? Wa banka.
Yes, you have to specify, obviously, which machine. Okay, that makes sense. I have forgotten my PIN number. How would I say that?
Ke lebetse nomoro ya me ya sephiri.
Okay, what
only you.
is sepiri the word for secret?
Secret.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. So it's secret number.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's pick this apart. You said ke lebetse. What is
I forgot.
Okay, so that's the past tense, obviously, of to forget.
Yes.
What is the verb for to forget?
Go lebala.
Ho lebala.
Yes.
That's the verb for to forget.
To forget.
Okay, so if I forgot, it's ke lebetse.
Yes.
Now, to pay some money into a bank. How would I say that?
Go duela madi.
Go duela is the verb for to pay.
Perfect.
All right. So, but in, I think it's lost in translation again. You don't really translate it back into Setswana. You just say to pay money.
We just say go duela madi.
Okay, to pay in some money. All right. Now, I need to pay some money into this account. This is a very important question because, first of all, I want to make sure that we understand how to say, I need to do something.
To need go tlhoka.
If I need to pay, it's ke tloka go duela.
Yes.
Now, I want to pay money into an account. How would I say that?
Ke tlhoka go duela madi mo accountong.
Okay, so let's pick that apart. Ke tloka, I need. Go duela is to pay. I need to pay. Madi, obviously money. And mo accountong. So obviously the demonstrative, the mo, combined with accounto, gives you that locative ending.
Yes.
Because location has now been introduced into the account. Mo accounto.
And I just want to highlight something again. There are poor people or needy people. In Setswana, we also say ke batloki.
Okay, that's interesting. So batloki comes from gotloka. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's interesting. Now, if the machine is broken, how would I say that?
Motšhini o robegile.
Motšhini o robegile.
Yes.
Okay, so to break, I remember the verb is goroba.
Go roba, yes.
That's to break.
To break.
Now, this obviously is past tense, so it becomes robegile.
Yes.
Let's put a nice big sentence together. Can you help me, please? I need to draw some money, and the machine is broken. It has swallowed my card. Let's try that.
Okay. Okay, I need you to say the first sentence,
Alright.
then I follow.
Okay. Can you help me, please?
O ka nthusa tswetswe.
I need to draw some money,
Ke tlhoka go goga madi,
and the machine is broken.
mme motšhini o robegile.
It has swallowed my card.
O komeditse karata ya me.
All right. Once again, everything making sense. So if I were to say, I think the machine is broken, ke nagana, I think. Moshine, how would I say that?
Okay. Ke nagana motšhini o robegile.
Okay. Easy enough. Ke nagana, I think. Mochine o robegile, the machine is
Yes.
broken. All right. So once again, the is not translated back into Setswana. Okay. And if I were to change it to, I think that the machine is broken. This conjunction word, that, is there a word for that in Setswana?
That, yes, in this context, ke nagana gore
Okay.
motšhini o robegile.
Okay. So gore is the word for that.
That,
Okay. And obviously,
in this context.
yes, the
Yes.
listeners just need to understand that this is the conjunction word, that. I think that the machine is broken.
Yes.
Okay, ke nagana gore mochine o robegile.
Yes.
All right, awesome. Okay, now unfortunately, bad things do happen, and it is good to prepare yourself in any language to say things like help and someone stole my card or whatever. So let's start with this. If I were to shout for help, what's the word for help?
Thusa.
Thusa. Okay, obviously from the verb go thusa. And he has stolen my money.
O utswile madi a me.
O utswile madi ame.
Yes.
O utswile, what is the word for to steal?
Go utswa.
Go utswa is to steal.
Yes.
Okay, now if he has stolen, it's utswile is past tense.
Yes.
Okay, o utswile. Money of mine, it's madi ame.
Yes.
Right? What's the word for thief?
Legodu.
Legodu.
Yes.
And what is the plural of thief?
Magodu.
Magodu would be thieves. What is the verb for to run?
Go taboga.
Gotaboga. Okay, well, I think we should stop it here for today. I hope this has been useful, and I just want to remind the listeners to go to the website 20minutesetswana.co.za to look at all the products that we have to offer, the business packages, and as well as our Abuti Syllabus for children. So, Mpho, thank you for having joined us again,
Ke lebogile.
and we'll see you next week on 20 Minutes Setswana. Go fitlela nako e e tlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say later.